going through the exercise of changing the cryptographic keys will give us confidence should we ever need to change the algorithms that are used to sign the DNS.
All of this is aimed basically at making the domain name service, the Internet's address book, safe and secure.
Yes, the intent of deploying DNSSEC, of rolling the key, is to ensure that the underlying infrastructure can be relied upon.
My bank, for example, makes me change my password every 3 months, as do many other online sites. Is this in that vein, or is that too much of an oversimplification?
No, it's a fairly accurate analog of what's going to be occurring during the key roll. There are, of course, slight differences. The key that's being used to sign the DNS is much longer than a traditional password. The technology used is completely different, but conceptually, it's very much like your bank forcing you to change your password. In this case, what we're doing is we're telling ISPs, who are actually doing the right thing and validating the responses coming from authoritative servers, that they need to change the key, the password used to ensure that the data has not been modified.
What sort of effort is involved in this process?
For the vast majority of internet users, they'll not have to do anything. The folks who will have to do something are internet service providers, and the vast majority of those simply need to ensure that the automated key roll process can actually function on their DNS resolvers. On October 11, 2017, we will be using the new key for the very first time.
On October 12, 2017, I'm living in London. I get on my web browser, I want to check my Facebook account or my bank account. What's going to happen if my ISP has not done what it should have done?
You will get a host not found or website not found error from any application that's using the internet.
My computer isn't reaching the internet, or it's not finding where it needs to find.
It's not able to find any domain name on the internet. We're ramping up our communications efforts as much as we can to inform as many different entities around the internet that this will be occurring. We're contacting network operators, we're talking to technical and non-technical venues, and primarily just to get the word out that this change will occur, hopefully to encourage end users so that if they do notice problems on October the 12th, 2017, that they'll know to call their ISP and ask the ISP if they have updated their trust anchor.
That's great. David Conrad, thank you very much.
Thank you.